What's up, beauty babes? My name is Mila and welcome back to my channel. In today's tutorial, I am going to be recreating Beth's makeup look she did a couple days ago. Her Instagram name is @BethPainterMakeup. She's honestly an amazing artist. I don't understand why all these amazing artists are from like a different country. Like, why? Why? Like, I only wish I can take a masterclass with them, but they're too far. And then also for my face, I took a couple online courses with Plouise Academy, and you're gonna tell that I do my foundation and my concealer a little differently than I normally do if you guys have been watching me in the past. But honestly, I absolutely love this technique because it makes me focus on my eyes first and then the rest of my face. Usually, I do some of my eyes, then I do my face. Then I add my under eyeshadow and then I add my eyelashes, and it's just a mess. I'm just everywhere, and I feel like with this, I'm more organized. Like I say, I focus on my eyes and then I do the rest of my face, and bam, don't have to go back. Actually, I need to apply some setting spray because I didn't spray any of that, which is the Morphe Mist setting spray. Best thing ever. Before we get started, if you guys are new to my channel, make sure you guys subscribe so that way you guys can see this beautiful face more often. Just kidding, but seriously. And then if you aren't my friend on any of my other social medias, make sure you guys go add me @MilaIlla. It's the same for my Snap and my Instagram. Doesn't change. Last thing, I am launching my new eyelash line. It is at everydaylashes_by_Mila. I'm gonna go ahead and leave the link down below where I usually leave my Snapchat and Instagram information. There are no pictures up yet because I don't want to just post pictures of me, because honestly, I think you guys see enough of me on my Instagram. So I'm currently taking pictures of other females wearing my lashes. I haven't found any males that are down to do it yet, but if you guys are, make sure you guys let me know so then I can post you on my lash line Instagram. But feel free to add it. Eventually there will be pictures and the website and yada 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 once my lashes launch. I think that's all the announcements I have for today, so let's just get started with the tutorial. First things first, I'm gonna go in with some moisturizer by First Aid Beauty. This is the Ultra Repair Cream that I absolutely rave about all the time. And I definitely need this because it's summer and it is hot. Hot, 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 hot. Whoa. Okay, now that my moisturizer is set for like a minute, I'm gonna go in with the Luminizer Primer by Dr. Brandt. I got this on my BoxyCharm a couple months ago, and I really do like it. And I'm just gonna pat this product all over my cara. So as you guys can see, I put my hair up. And I did my eyebrows. I also packed my lids with some Plouise Rumour base. This base is in shade 5. It's darker than what I should be using, but I actually kind of like it. I don't know. I fucks with it. The first shade I'm going to go in with is Hangry in the Violet Voss palette featuring Nicol. And I'm just going to go ahead and pack this beautiful color all over my crease and above it as well, because we are going to be cutting the crease. So you guys should know when we cut the crease, we don't really care too much about blending the color right here, just because we are going to be cutting the crease with concealer and it's just gonna go bye-bye. So what we mainly do focus on is from the crease and up. Going in with the same brush, I'm gonna go with Blue. I think that's what it's called. Blow. And I'm gonna go ahead and apply that right on top of Hungry. And I'm just blending that beautiful color in circular motions. And I'm also going to drag this color a little bit towards my brow, all the way at the end. Grabbing a little bit more product. And I'm just focusing this color right here. And then bringing it back. I want to warm up the crease just a little bit, so I'm going to go in with Hey Girl and Chocolate. The brush I'm using is a Morphe M506 brush. I'm just placing this color right on top of my crease. I'm probably just going a little bit above it, just a little bit. And by doing that, it got really harsh, so I'm going back with Blue and Hangry, and I'm going to go ahead and blend that onto Chocolate and Hey Girl. Hey girl. Don't worry too much about right here. We're obviously gonna clean that up. So again, going back with Hey Girl and Chocolate, cutting out the crease, or placing this on the crease. Now with Hangry and Blue, or Blow, whatever the hell that color's name is. And we are just gonna blend this right on top of the darker shades. So now it's time to cut the crease. I'm gonna go in with my Rumour base. This one is the light shade. Haha, I don't remember which shade this is. I think it's 0.5. And I'm just gonna get my flat brush and I'm gonna start cutting the crease. And then we're gonna take it all the way out. And then we're just gonna drag it pretty far. Right there. I'm gonna drag it right there. And we're gonna pat so it's nice and tacky. Now with a packing brush, I'm gonna go in with LA and I'm just gonna pat this beautiful shade all over my lid. I'm not gonna focus too much on my lash line because I'm gonna go in with a liner. So now I'm gonna grab some Plouise base, put it on the back of my hand. I'm using a liner brush and now I'm creating a wing liner. And this look was inspired by Beth Painter Makeup, something like that. She's super good and creative. You guys need to watch her. I'm just creating a regular wing liner with a Plouise base, nothing extra. With a packing brush, make sure it's like a precise packing brush. I'm going in with Pin J. And I'm just applying that right on the first half of the liner. Ha ha ha. Make sure you guys take your time during this part because you definitely don't want to roll over onto the gold. And now I'm adding another layer on top. Just packing it. Pack in it. I'm gonna do one more layer. So this is like my third layer. Now going in with Retrograde, it is the black in this palette. And now I am just applying that at the outer corner of our wing liner. Again, go super slow and careful on this part because black can just fuck up everything. Or just can mess up everything. Now I'm gonna go ahead and clean this part out with some makeup remover. Going back with a little bit of Hangry, I'm just gonna buff this out with the black just so it blends well with the corner right here. Now I'm going in with my Plouise shades and I'm just packing this right here so I can add my shadows on my lower lash line. And I'm dragging this kind of low. And then I'm packing it. Using my Morphe M507 brush, I'm going to go with Hangry and Blue. I'm just going to apply that onto the first half of my lower lash line. And I'm going to start buffing that. The next shade that I'm just doing right now is in Retrograde. I forgot to mention that. Into my wing liner. And then I grabbed a little bit of Chocolate and Hey Girl and I'm just buffing that right under the wing liner. Okay, so I did two things. I added some mascara and added these lashes. These lashes are from my new collection. These ones are called Honayyy, and these are honestly my absolute favorite lashes. I died for these. I wanted to add some brown onto my waterline, so I'm using the Jonteblu Lip Liner. I guess lip liner, but I'm using it as eyeliner. And then last but not least, I'm gonna go in with Zozo, and I'm just gonna pat this onto my inner corners. And then also on the brow bone. Now for the face, I'm going to go in with some Age Rewind Concealer. I'm only applying it right below where I ended the Plouise base. Grabbing my beauty sponge and I'm blending that right underneath. Just highlighting that area. The Fenty Beauty Foundation. I have to mix mine because for some reason I didn't know what the hell color I was. I go in with a little bit of 260 and then a lot of bit of the 310. And now I'm just buffing up my foundation throughout my whole face. Bringing it down my neck. The brush that I'm using is a Morphe E31 brush. All over my forehead as well. Hitting the temples. And then to highlight the rest of my face, I'm just going in with the Fenty Beauty Foundation in 260, the lighter shade obviously, and I'm just gonna highlight the rest of my face. People are like, oh my god, Mela, that's a foundation, but honestly, you can use anything as anything in the makeup nowadays, seriously. Like how I just use my lip liner as my eyeliner. There are no rules to makeup, and if you guys are gonna judge me, then unfucking subscribe. Now I'm gonna go ahead and set my face with some translucent powder. So I mainly focus underneath my eyes, around my nose, on top of my lip, and my forehead, and a little bit on the chin. For contouring, I'm gonna go in with my Coverfx, and I'm gonna go in with these two shades, and I'm gonna buff this color onto my hairline, and then bringing it down. Feels a little dry, so I'm gonna go with my Inglot Duraline, and this pretty much revives everything. Any eyeshadow, concealers, anything that went dry, you just put literally like a drop. I'm only putting a drop on one because a little bit goes a long way, and since I'm mixing both of them, I don't have to put a drop on each of them or else it's gonna get really oily. So I'm just gonna grab a little bit, see how it's all like shiny again. Oh, I don't know if you guys caught that, damn it. And I mixed it with the other one. And now I am applying this. The brush I'm using is a crown brush. I got it on my BoxyCharm. Don't remember what month, but I got it in BoxyCharm. You guys should really subscribe because it's like $21 for like 5 to 6 full-size products. It is amazing, girlfriend. And I'm going really lightly when it comes to contouring my nose. Hitting it on the tip, just like that. And my chin and jawline. I want to go for a really shimmery bronzer. So the bronzer I'm going to be using is the Milani Baked Bronzer using my Morphe M142 brush. And I am loving it. Loving it. What is that? My phone's going off. And I'm just dusting that everywhere. Yes, give it to me. Down my neck as well because I like to look shimmery. Shimmery bronze, honey. For highlight, I'm using Prosecco Pop by Becca. It's super duper gold color. Also applying that on my temples because that's just how I do it, girl. And then with my finger, I'm gonna apply it on the tip of my nose and the center. And then gotta hit the lip. Going back with the Jonteblu liner, I'm gonna go ahead and line my lips. And then with my MAC Cosmetics, I'm going with Myth. Alright guys, so this is the final look on this tutorial. I know I'm so dramatic. Hopefully you guys learned some tips and tricks. If you guys did, make sure you comment them down below so I know that I'm helping you guys out at least. And two last things, if you guys have not subscribed to my channel, make sure you guys go do that. If you guys aren't following my other social medias, then make sure you guys go do that as well. And I'll be seeing you guys next time. Bye guys!